wanted to show you these little wish trolls that I purchased for my kids. They're really cute. I love how small they are, and they are like really nostalgic to, when I was a kid and played with them. My 3-year-old's been having a blast playing with these in like her blocks. They're fun, they're colorful. I just wanted to give you a closer look. I think they're great for like holidays, like, to add into baskets or stockings or something like that. Just like something fun to also have. So they're small. Here they are up close, the hair. And, I just want to definitely give you like an idea of how small they are, which is, oh, wrong side, which I think makes it like fun. They're a hard plastic, and then the softness of the hair. There you go. So you could see like how big they are. So really cute. All my kids have been having fun playing with them. Again, my little one has been playing them with like magnet tiles and blocks and Legos. So just to add in, and like the texture of the hair is just like really cute. They're not falling out. The hair is not going everywhere, and the bodies are nice and hard. They're not like breaking or anything. So definitely recommend these. Super fun.